Hello everyone. First question. Where is the first fully digital post office located? Answer. New Delhi. Who developed integrated circuit chip? Answer. J.S. Kilby. Which of these sources of revenue comes under state government? Answer. Toll tax. Which is the first country to get independence from Britain? Answer. United States. A genetic disorder that reduces blood flow of human body. Answer. Hemophilia. What is the main causes of soil erosion? Answer. Deforestation. What is that situation called when the production of goods and services continuously decline? Answer. Financial crisis. Which Indian women player got the top ICC ODI ranking in February 2019? Answer. Smriti Mandhana. When was established Indian Bank? Answer. 1907. Who is the first Indian to become a world snooker champion? Answer. Pankaj Advani. Who is the current chief of the World Bank Group? Answer. David Malpass. Which of the following is the direct tax in India? Answer. Wealth tax. As in October 2019, what is the current rate of cash reserve ratio? Answer. 4%. What is cash reserve ratio? Answer. Share of a commercial bank's total deposit kept with RBI. At present, how many public sector banks are in India? Answer. 12. What is India's rank in Global Competitive Index Report 2019? Answer. 68th. Which of the following report is not released by the World Bank? Answer. Global Gender Gap Report. What is the rate of interest on Employees Provident Fund EPF for 2018 to 2019? Answer. 8.65%. What is India's ranking on the ease of doing business rank 2019? Answer. 77th. Which ministry has started the Ganga Amantran Abhiyan? Answer. Jal Shakti Ministry. What is the time limit of the GI tag? Answer. 10 years. In which Indian state Feni Spirit produced exclusively? Answer. Goa. Pokali is a unique saline tolerant rice variety that is cultivated in which of the following state? Answer. Kerala. Who issued GI tag in India? Answer. Geographical Indication Registry. Which was the first Indian product to get the geographical indication tag? Answer. Darjeeling tea. How many products got GI tags till now? Answer. 361. Geographical indication GI tag is given as per the answer. Geographical Indication Act 1999. Who among the following presented the first budget of independent India? Answer. R.K. Shankh Chetty, 26 November 1947. Who among the following presented Union budget maximum number of times? Answer. Morarji Desai, 10 times. Union budget of India is presented by whom and in which houses of the parliament? Answer. Finance Minister of India, Lok Sabha. Thank you for watching this videos.